Twist and seal toilet flanges are a one-piece flange and gasket system that creates a watertight seal by twisting the unit into the drain pipe until the compressible gasket seats firmly. A twist and seal flange is designed for cases where the existing drain pipe lacks a proper seat, or the original flange is missing or damaged. To install one, use a PVC or ABS unit sized to match the pipe inner diameter and clean the pipe inside surface so the gasket can seat evenly. Insert the flange with the gasket pointing inward, then rotate the flange clockwise until you feel resistance and the gasket compresses against the pipe wall. Cut the face of the flange flush with the finished floor height before attaching the toilet and verify the outlet aligns with the toilet horn to avoid strain on the wax ring or gasket. Tighten closet bolts evenly and test for wobble, then apply a small bead of silicone at bolt holes for extra protection against leaks. If the pipe is corroded or irregular, consider shaving high spots or using a thin sleeve of adhesive back tape under the gasket to help it seat, but never rely on sealant alone to replace proper compression. The most common mistake is using the wrong pipe size, which prevents the gasket from compressing fully, so always measure the internal diameter of the waste pipe and choose a flange sized for that inside measurement. Another frequent issue is over-twisting, which can damage the gasket and create a hairline leak, so rotate only until you reach firm resistance and then stop. A third problem is poor floor height alignment that leaves the flange too high or too low. Resolve this by trimming the flange face to match the finished floor before mounting the toilet and confirm the toilet sits level with even bolt torque. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find work related to bathroom and plumbing repairs. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we share installation tips and field-specific experience so homeowners and pros can ask questions and learn from each other.